Hey there, CS2 players, enthusiasts, and wizards of the game. Welcome back to our channel. I'm excited for today's video because we're going to tackle a common issue that can ruin your gaming experience. What is it? It's called lag. Before we jump into the action, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures, and I'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on another CS2 journey. Okay, fixing lag in Counter-Strike 2 is crucial for plenty of reasons. Number one, it significantly impacts the gaming experience and competitiveness of players, right? Because as we all know it, lag can cause delays in actions, making it challenging to aim, shoot, or react to in-game situation. A smooth gaming experience is essential for enjoyment. In competitive CS2 matches, lag can be the difference between winning and losing. We have to agree on that. It hinders your ability to make precise shots, move strategically, and coordinate with teammates effectively, right? And also, reducing lag ensures fair play for all players. A player with consistently low lag would have an unfair advantage over others due to performance related issues. And lag induced frustration can lead to negative experiences and discourage players from continuing to play CS2. So, fixing lag promotes a more positive and enjoyable gaming environment. Most importantly, playing with lag can hinder skills development. You won't be able to practice aiming, believe me, reflexes and other skills effectively if your actions are delayed. And in team-based models, lag can disrupt communication and coordination with teammates. Reducing lags helps maintain clear communication and better teamwork. Okay, now there are several ways to do that. Number one is fixing your best computer desktop settings or your laptop. But in the game itself, all you gotta do is go to the settings here, go to video. All right, from the video, you gotta go full screen. Or the refresh rate depends really on the specs of your computer and your monitor. And for the resolution is really dependent on the specs. And let's go to advanced video. Okay, so for advanced video, you go to boost player enabled. Wait for vertical sync disabled, and what else? Let me hover for now. Mm, okay, so um, for multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode, let's go here for custom. This one's probably like none. Check none. For global shadow quality, let's go for low. Mode texture is medium. And this one's shader detail would be like low. And practice detail is, let's say it, let's select the medium. And for high dynamic range, what else? Yeah, for ambient occlusion, let's disable this one. Okay, so fidelity, well, let's leave it to that. And enabled, let's click enabled plus boost. All right. Okay, there you go. There you have it. That's one of the ways to improve, right? To fix lag in CS2. That's it. But also, keep in mind that fixing lag in CS2 is really important because it directly impacts the quality of gameplay, competitiveness, and overall enjoyment for both casual and competitive players. It ensures a level playing field and contributes to a healthier and more engaged gaming community. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.